Alright, how's it going? So I'm out here on Harmony Ridge on Whistler Mountain. It was a short little hike up here from the roundhouse, about 20-30 minutes or so. You are allowed to go uphill, and you can see there's some tracks of people that have already gone out into the backcountry over there. So we're not going to do anything too crazy. We're still going to stay on runs that we know, even though we are past the patrol area. So Andreas and I are going to be riding together, sticking together, riding terrain that we know, taking it easy. And today I'm riding a new snowboard, the Dupraz. And so I'm really excited to try this snowboard out. It's supposed to be a bit more surfy, a little bit washier with the back foot, and hopefully perfect in some of this powder we got coming up. All right, let's keep going. We're almost there. Almost there. Andreas!
Hello.
Andreas, how's it going there, bub?
Whew. Well, you know, Chris, nobody ever regrets climbing a mountain, so...
Never, never.
You know, I keep telling myself that over and over.
We're almost there.
We're almost there, I can see it. I've got a lot of faith.
And I can't speak for Andreas, but all those early and pre-season hikes definitely paying off. There it is. So we're just coming up to a Harmony chair now at the top, and this is the highest that we're gonna go. And we're gonna find some glorious powder up here, because some people have come up here, but obviously putting in the work, I think we're gonna find some awesome turns out there. Are you feeling hopeful?
Oh man, I can taste the powder. I'm gonna be chowing on the pow, Chris. Chowder powder. We did it.
Top of Harmony 6 Express, which as you can see does not have any of the seats on just yet, but all in good time. And now is the time for us to go and shred some powder with the most glorious view. Hot dog!
Woohoo!
Okay, so we're gonna go into the backside of Whistler, into like Sun Bowl area, which is perfect for this time of day because we got the golden hour. I've gotta get moving. Doop-de-doo.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Andreas, and today it's just a quick one.
Loving this board. Got a big shovel to have pointy nose. It's got some good taper on it. Definitely feel that you can just keep your weight nice and centered when you're riding, and it really adds to those nice surfy vibes going down. A little bit of toe and heel drag on this one for myself, but yeah, beautiful board. Awesome, super nice ride, and perfect conditions for it here. Like big open snowy fields.
How was that, buddy?
That was fantastic.
I got a little bit of sun.
Yeah. Such good glide on this. I get a little bit of speed going, but as soon as you get moving, just keep that weight nice and centered. You're just flowing through.
If I could make it out of here alive, if I could pack up all my souvenirs, but
That was absolutely incredible, and definitely feel so lucky to be up here and be able to do that. Like, yeah, super, super lucky. The mountain's open. It's amazing. It's totally makes everything worth it. Just being able to get up there and do that. It was what I find snowboarding is all about. I really do hope you guys have a chance to go snowboarding soon. Yeah, just try to get out there. I mean, if it's only hiking available in your areas, it's still awesome. Still recommend you guys have a look into that. You can still keep it safe and do some hiking and do some snowboarding and still get the board on. Because, dude, boarding is the answer. What's the answer?
7.
Oh, snowboarding.
Yeah, snowboarding.
Normally 7 is the answer.